Hey everyone, thanks for joining me again. Today I'm going to show you how we're going to clean up these foggy, nasty, yellow looking headlights that you see behind me right here and make it look like the one I just cleaned right here. So I'm going to use a secret ingredient. Just follow this video along and you can do this too. Each headlight will take about 5 minutes. Let's go do it now. Let's take a look at this one that we want to clean. And then this one here that we already did, about 90% better. So let's get started on this one. All right, so we're gonna spray this onto the light all the way back, and we're gonna let it sit maybe 30 seconds, and then we're gonna wipe it off with this towel. Okay, hopefully I didn't get too much of that on the camera. And you can see it running down. It's starting to work. And I'm gonna wait about 30 seconds. You don't have to wait with me, I'm gonna advance it now. All right, I'm gonna start wiping this thing off. Look at this. Check that. I think I'm gonna do one more coat. Okay. Yeah, there is more coming off. So now it is quite a bit better. Not quite what we need versus the other side yet, but we're getting there. Okay, this is going to be ingredient number 2, which I'll reveal at the end when I show you what was the first thing. And this, we're going to, it's a wax type product, and we're going to go over it at least once, maybe a couple of times, depending on the finish, okay? So I'll speed this up a bit so that way you don't have to watch the entire process. Okay, so this will be the final reveal here. Look at that. Okay, this one actually looks better than the other one. What do you guys think? I think you should like this video when you see this. Now we're going to reveal what it is that I used. The first thing was bug spray. Now, I don't know if any bug spray will work, but this is the one that I used, and I'll link to it down in the description, so where you can buy it on Amazon. And yes, I do earn a commission for it, so if you do buy it, it'd be great if you did purchase it that way. Okay. Next, I use this cleaner wax from Magyar's. It's their cleaner wax, and it takes out minor scratches and those kinds of things. So that's what I did 2 or 3 coats of to get the final finish. So what this did was it cleaned off all of the gunk and the stuff that you couldn't get off by just washing it, and got it down to the actual plastic. And then this thing here is what shined it up and took all the little scratches out of it. You know, you're going to get that with all the sand and different stuff spraying up as you're going 60 to 100 miles an hour or more, depending on how you drive. So yeah, so these 2 things, it was a total of about 5 minutes, like I said, and maybe a little longer. I'm not sure how long this video was, but if you liked it and it helped you, I do appreciate you hitting that like button on the video. It helps me. Thanks, everyone, and look for the next upcoming video. Appreciate you. Have a great day.